Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Sometimes you may want to share axis scale across multiple axes. Let's have a look at the following example. So our imports, x, y1, y2, y3, so these are three different functions. Now our figure and axes, subplots, and here we have the axes in 3 rows and 1 column. They differ in color, so let's run this code to see it. And here are our 3 axes. As you can see, the coordinates are not very readable. You can see right away that we're using the same scale for the x-axis. So we don't have to repeat the tick labels for each axis individually. In order to share the scale on the x-axis, we set the shareX argument to true. So let's show the axis scale on the x-axis. So here we use shareX equals true. And here are the axes in 3 rows and 1 column again. So if you run this code, you see that now it looks much more readable. And now let's have a look at the other example where the axes are in 1 row and 3 columns. So here we have the axis in 1 row and 3 columns. Let's see what it looks like. So 3 columns, 1 row. Now this time the scales on the y-axis are not the same. Have a look here. Here we have 0 to 120. Here we have, for example, -20 up to 20. But we can still share them. The plots will adjust themselves to the shared scale. This time we should set the share y argument to true. So let's share the axis scale on the y-axis. We need this argument here, share y equals true. And now let's run it. As you can see, the graphs adjusted themselves, but the scale is now shared. Now the ticks are much more readable, although the plots themselves not necessarily so. It all depends on what you need. You may also share axis scale on both axes. Let's have a look at this example with just some empty axes. So here we have the following output. Not very readable. And now suppose we want all the axes to share both the x and y axis scales. Here's how we can do it. We just set share x and share y to true, and the output is like this. Here and here. This is much more readable now. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.